Hi, my name is Ashley Schott and I'm one of the reading and math support teachers here at Capitol View. And I wanted to show you a quick video on what the fourth graders are working on in math. We thought that this year it'd be helpful to you as parents and students to be able to refer to a video that we're going to post here on Facebook on what the students are doing each day or each unit in math. These aren't going to be updated every day, but they're going to be periodically posted for you to see. So our first topic in math is place value to any place. And the students have been working with place value since kindergarten, so this isn't anything new. But when we look at a number, 6,329,294, we can break that down and look at each place value. So the 4 is in the ones place, the 9 is in the tens, the 2 is in the hundreds, the 9 is in the thousands, the 2 is in the 10,000s, the 3 is in the 100,000s, and the 6 is in the millions. So we want students to be able to read this number, but we also want them to be able to identify which number is in each place in a number. So as a parent at home, you can write down any number and you can say, what number is in the 10,000s place? So they would have to know, without having all this written out, that the 2 is the number in the 10,000s place. Or you could underline a number, for example, the 2, and say, what place is this? And they would tell you the hundreds. So this is one component of our topic, place value to any place. We also are working on the value of each digit, or the digit is the number, or how much each digit is worth. So the value or the worth. So if we have the same number, 6,329,294, the 1 is worth 4. The 9 in the tens place is worth 90. The 2 in the hundreds place is worth 200. The 9 is worth 9,000 in the thousands place. The 2 in our 10,000s place is worth 20,000. Our 3 in the 100,000s place is worth 300,000. And our 6 in the millions place is 6 million. Most of our students are really successful in the ones, tens, and hundreds, but when we get up to the thousands, the 10,000s, that's where we struggle a little bit more with the actual value of the digit. So away at home as a parent, you can write out a number. It doesn't even have to be in the millions. You could do to the 10,000s and have the student write out the number and how much it's worth. They may do it a little bit differently than I have here, but you get the idea that the 2 is worth 20,000 and having the correct number of zeros and the commas, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So that is the value or how much each digit is worth in a number. And our last thing that we're working on is reading and writing numbers. So for example, we have the number 10,550. And we're going to ask fourth graders to be able to write that 3 different ways. We're going to need to read and write it 3 different ways. So we have our expanded form, our word form, and our standard form. Standard form is just the way that we have our number and we write it almost every day in everything we do. But we also have to be able to write it in word form with the actual words. So we would write out 10,550. And expanded form is basically going back to the value of each digit where they write out 10,000 plus 500 plus 50. If you add those 3 numbers together, you're going to have the number 10,550. So these are 3 things that we're working on in 4th grade math right now, and we hope that you're able to support them at home or look at their homework that's coming home and help them any way you can. So more to come in the next couple weeks. Thanks for watching.